Welcome! My name is Marina Voronkov and I'm the person behind Everything Marina Food Blog. I just want to show you something that I have right now. This is a picture of my macarons, and these macarons I made, and the recipes of course on my blog. It's my own pictures. Every time you're looking at this video you see my macarons. I probably need another picture right here on the side, and it's still in process. So if you want to see my next picture, follow, subscribe, and watch the video. And maybe in the comments you can let me know which picture of my macarons you want to see on the wall. But let's get started. In this video I want to talk about one ingredient that I make macarons. This is almond flour. Very important ingredient. And it depends where you live. You probably will have different brands of almond flour. I live in United States, in Connecticut, and I'm going to show you my 4 based almond flour brands that I'm using and where I can buy anytime I want it, from Amazon or from my local stores. And then I want to show each flour how it looks. We're going to compare to different brands. My very favorite almond flour is Blue Diamond almonds. This brand is available on Amazon and also at the Sam's Club. This is membership club. If you have that membership, you can purchase. It's not expensive. This is 3 pounds bag, and right now on Amazon it's $11 with something. And if you get even subscription to be delivered every month or every week, you can get even cheaper price. So this is Blue Diamond almond, and this made in California, I think. Yes, it's made in California. The ingredients, it says only blanched almonds, so there is nothing else added. I really like this almond flour because it says it's finely sifted, so that means you don't have to even sift. And I know some bakers that bake macarons and they share on social media that they don't sift. If they're using this almond flour, they don't sift, they just mix with powdered sugar and that's it. I use this flour a lot, and you see how I'm doing. I'm always sifting almond flour and powdered sugar. It doesn't matter which brand I'm using, I'm still sifting. Another very popular brand in the United States of almond flour, it's from Costco. This is Kirkland brand, and it's also made in California, product of California. The ingredients is also says is blanched almonds. This is also 3 pound bag, and it's available at Costco only. You can purchase this online on Amazon. This one you can, this one you cannot. Only Costco members will buy this flour. Very popular because we have Costco stores in different states, and it's very affordable. Prices are almost the same. Sometimes I see the flour on sale in both stores, so it depends which state you live. You can get flour or Blue Diamond or from Costco in your stores. Another one is very popular in the United States brand is Bob's Red Mill flour. Bob's Red Mill has many different flours, and just in my local store I just bought this almond flour. It's 1 pound bag. Compared to Blue Diamond and Costco one flours, this is more expensive. And this is also says on the package is super fine almond flour from blanched whole almonds, and it says it's gluten-free, and this made in Oregon. Ingredients blanched almonds, and this is more expensive, but it's also available in many different stores. Like this one, you need to have membership. This flour is available in Whole Foods or any basically grocery stores. However, this is just 1 pound bag. In Restaurant Depot, I've seen this brand, but they sell in like big boxes where you need a lot. If you're baking many macarons, if you have home bakery, then that would be a really good idea. If you like this kind of brand too, you can buy just big box. Another of my favorite ones, I've been baking with this flour for many years. This is from Amaretti. It's also premium blanched almond flour. This one is also 1 pound. Even on a package it says no sifting needed, so that means you can just mix with almond flour and start baking. The benefit of this almond flour, if you purchase, they have a recipe even of macaron shells on the back of this package, and I use this a lot. It's also made in USA. The brand Amaretti is really great brand. You can buy almond flour from them. They also have pistachio flour, they have hazelnut flour, different types of flours. They also have many different ingredients that you can be using for buttercream, for example, or for ganaches, for any fillings to macarons. And I share in my previous videos. You can watch. I'm gonna leave the link below this video. So this is the 4 basic almond flours brands that I can find and I always have in my pantry. Let's see how each almond flour look inside of the bag. I prepare some containers that I want to put the almond flour, and you can see how it looks. Let's start with the Blue Diamond. That's how I was showing. Almond flour from Blue Diamond, then from Costco, Bob's Red Mill, and Amaretti. And I'm going to be using this container and just showing you. I'm just going to shake like this. So Blue Diamond almond flour. It smells good. And you know how you can taste the almond flour? There is always expiration day, but even with the expiration day on the bottom, on the back somewhere in a bag, even with the expiration day, when you open a bag of almond flour, it should not smell. It should smell just almonds and nothing else. Still fresh. And if you open the bag and it already smells some kind of funky, not like almonds, I would not use it. Because trust me, it's probably already oily and expired. And you don't want to bake macaron shells with expired ingredients, right? So let's see what's inside. I'm going to be using the same spoon. That's what we have. It's really beautiful almond flour. And like it says on the bag, there is no need of sifting this flour. Then next, Costco. And I have to tell you that lately, and I heard about from many different bakers, that lately the quality of almond flour, specifically this brand, changed. It coming very oily, and maybe it all depends also on the season of almonds. If we want to compare the almond flour, this one is white, more white, and from Costco it's more yellow, and you can tell this is much better, and you can see the difference already. This is more white and this is yellowish. Well, let's see the other one. Bob's Red Mill. The 1 pound bag is also very convenient if you don't bake macarons very often, but you don't wanna buy 3 pound bag. So 1 pound is more than enough. Oops. And I will be cleaning up. I have to say this red mill almond flour, and let's just clean it up. Comparing just 3 of these almond flours right away, I should say that Bob's Red Mill is very similar to Blue Diamond. If I would go by color, then this is brighter, then we'll go this one, and this is more yellowish. Now let's see from Amaretti. I don't have much left, and I was saving for this video. And I can tell you it's almost exactly as Bob's Red Mill and close to Blue Diamond. And I want to show you closer how each flower looks. And you can see the Blue Diamond, it's very bright. From Costco, it's very yellow. These two are almost the same color. These two flowers looks almost exactly the same. The Blue Diamond, it's very airy look, it's very white. The Costco one is very yellow, and it feels like kind of oily for me. Maybe just this bag, but it's really, I have to say that all flowers are not expired. It's still with a good expiration day. I'm sure after expiration day they might change the color and get more oily, but right now this is what I would use to make macaron shells. The few advice I will give you when you buying almond flour: just check the price first of all, what is affordable, what is the best price for your budget. If you bake in just maybe 1 batch of macarons, then I would recommend just buy small bag. But if you bake in many macarons, if you own home bakery, it's better to buy probably larger bags or even big boxes. I would stick with the Blue Diamond for now because it's very good quality, doesn't need sifting, very light, and especially when I'm making white macarons. Plus, it's available on Amazon. It can be delivered to your house, or you can buy in your Sam's Club store. It's a membership store. And I need larger bag, 3 pound, is because I bake a lot of macarons and I'm testing many recipes, and for me to buy small bag, it's really not convenient, the big bag. Another thing, when you're buying almond flour, please check for expiration date. Sometimes the bags that are front on the shelf has faster expiration date, and the one on the bag it's has longer. So I would buy with the longer expiration date, because sometimes you don't know if you're gonna open this bag and maybe you're not gonna be baking macaron shells really fast. So I will always check expiration date. Another thing, what I do personally from when I'm buying from Sam's Club or from Costco, I'm not buying just 1 bag. Every time I'm buying like 5-6 bags at the same time. And my secret is, what I do, I take bags from different boxes. I don't take from one, because sometimes if one batch, maybe in that the same box is bad, then all my 6 bags that I'm getting, it's gonna have the same. So what I'm trying to do, I'm taking one bag from this box and then from another from lower shelf. This way I will know at least 1 or 2 bags will have no problem for my macarons. So that's my little secret. If you wanna also use it when you're buying flour in Costco, so just keep in mind that. That's all for almond flour. However, if you want me to take a separate video when I'm gonna be making macaron shells using specific almond flour, let me know in comments and I can record that video. We can see the difference. We're going to be using the same recipe, no food coloring, just almond flour, just main 4 ingredients to bake macaron shells, and just use different flour and see the difference. Let me know in comments if that's something that you like to see on my channel, and thank you for watching. Subscribe, and as always, happy baking!